Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of birdsong, surrounded by lush greenery, in a space designed to celebrate the beauty of nature. This is the essence of a small guest house made for nature lovers. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through an enchanting design that perfectly blends modern comfort with the serenity of the outdoors. From its eco-conscious architecture to its seamless integration with the surrounding environment, this guest house offers a peaceful retreat for those who cherish the natural world. Join us as we explore how this design creates harmony between human living and nature. The exterior of the guest house is a masterpiece of simplicity and elegance, featuring clean lines and natural materials such as reclaimed wood, stone, and bamboo. The structure effortlessly blends into its environment. The roof is sloped and covered with greenery, providing insulation while visually connecting the house to the surrounding landscape. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls allow guests to feel immersed in nature, whether they're indoors or out. The exterior design invites exploration while setting the tone for a calming, immersive experience. This is architecture at its finest, functional, beautiful, and in harmony with the natural world. As you approach the guest house, a stone pathway winds its way through a garden of native plants, creating a sense of anticipation. The entrance is marked by a minimalist wooden door framed by natural stone. Subtle lighting along the pathway highlights the textures of the materials used, guiding visitors toward the house without disrupting the nighttime ambience. The surrounding garden is filled with low-maintenance greenery, designed to thrive in the local climate. This thoughtful landscaping ensures that the guest house feels like an organic extension of its surroundings, offering a warm welcome to anyone who steps onto the property. Inside the guest house, the living space is a testament to minimalist design infused with warmth. The open floor plan combines the living room, kitchen, and dining area into one cohesive space. Wooden beams and stone accents create a cozy, grounded atmosphere, while large windows flood the area with natural light. The furniture is intentionally simple, with neutral tones and natural fabrics that complement the earthy palette. This design encourages guests to relax and enjoy the scenery, whether they're sipping coffee on the couch or preparing a meal in the compact yet efficient kitchen. guest house bedroom is a sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Positioned to offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape, the room features a large bed with soft linens in neutral tones. The design incorporates wooden paneling and woven textures, adding depth and warmth. A sliding glass door opens to a private patio, allowing guests to step outside and enjoy the fresh air at any time. The simplicity of the design ensures that nature remains the focal point, creating a tranquil retreat that soothes the soul and rejuvenates the mind. The bathroom is another highlight of this guest house, designed to bring the outdoors in. Featuring natural stone tiles, a rain shower with a skylight, and wooden accents, the space feels luxurious yet earthy. A freestanding bathtub is strategically placed near a large window, offering a serene view of the greenery outside. Eco-friendly fixtures and water-saving technologies are seamlessly integrated, reflecting the house's commitment to sustainability. This is more than just a bathroom. It's a private spa where guests can unwind and feel truly connected to nature. The guest house extends its charm outdoors with thoughtfully designed living spaces. A wooden deck wraps around the house, providing ample room for outdoor seating and dining. Comfortable furniture made from weather-resistant materials invites guests to lounge in the open air. A fire pit surrounded by stone seating creates a cozy spot for evening gatherings. The outdoor areas are perfect for soaking up the sun, enjoying meals under the stars, or simply taking in the sounds of the natural surroundings. These spaces enhance the connection between the house and the environment, making outdoor living a true pleasure. This small guest house is a masterpiece of thoughtful design and sustainable living. By blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings, it offers a retreat that nurtures both body and soul. It's a reminder that great design isn't about excess. It's about harmony, simplicity, and respect for the environment. If you're a nature lover dreaming of the perfect guest house, this design is sure to inspire you. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more home design ideas that celebrate the beauty of nature.